After I take the girls to school this morning, I am headed to the hardware store to find some supplies to turn these very sad Christmas trees into displays for my gnomes over the next couple of markets. So stay tuned. So we've got some old grocery store bags and a burlap tarp. Got some rocks left over from a landscaping project, and then some quick set cement. And of course the ugly trees. So it was fun to beat the crap out of this plastic pot to take it off, except I almost injured my dog right there. Love her, sent her away. All good, no dogs were harmed in the making of this video. So I've got the rocks in a little layer at the bottom of a bag, and I've got that bag sitting inside like an old cake lid tin just to kind of keep some form. I pre-measured everything out for myself, but it's 1 part water to 5 or 5.5 parts quickset. I'd recommend not tossing all the water in at the get-go. That way you can kind of add some as you need it. I really didn't know how I wanted to get it done, but I knew what I wanted to get done, so I just kind of went for it. In this next clip, you'll hear me eat crow and admit that the first batch that you watched me mix, I did a little ass backwards, but that's okay. I'm planning on putting the water in here first. That way there's no gunk dry at the bottom. Another thing, see, like I said, go for it. You figure things out as you go along. No harm, no foul. So after letting them set pretty quickly, hence the quick set, I was able to lay out the burlap. I cut it in big squares, cut the corners off so they weren't super pointy, and basically just wrapped the base and tied it off with a ribbon. I'm just kind of gathering. So here's where the imposter syndrome's creeping in. I'm sitting here doing this and I'm thinking to myself, no one is going to watch a video of you tying a burlap sack around the bottom of a Christmas tree. And then I thought, seriously, there's so much other shit out there that people watch. Why not do it? It's helpful. And if someone gets something from it, then we walk on. So this last bit is probably the most tedious for me, ripping off all of the pine cones and berries and unstringing all the lights. But I would say it was worth it. Alright, I'm all done. Super excited about the way that they turned out. And check it, I didn't put the nose on the back. Oops, here's my backside. What do you think?